Once the notes are populated, you'll see they're formatted in the language and format that you require. Note in this case, we've chosen bullet points for all of our headers. We can scroll through, we can edit anything on screen as we see fit. We've got the opportunity to add in additional audio or to give it verbal commands or engage with the chatbot to then refine the version. We can also give it different formatted notes. So I can choose a different template and it will draft. Note all drafts will be stored here and you can view previous versions. In this particular case, you can see the format is quite changed and that's based off my preferences. Patient Notes is quite unique in how we do our templates. So what you'll see, rather than just give a general prompt, we actually give the ability to give lots of different context. So what we talk about here is we can structure the prompts. We can give each of the headers different formats, whether that be different header size, bold or italics. We can have that header populate always or only if relevant to the console. This is a completely controllable UI so that they can drag and drop different sections. We also have the ability for each of the particular areas to then be formatted either in sentence, bullets, valued pairs, lists, and values only. So what that gives is a lot of flexibility, control, and consistency of output. We also base each of our sections off rules. So in this particular case, I could apply a rule for a whole section, or I could actually pick a particular area, such in this particular set of history of presenting condition. I can then choose the amount of detail just for that section. I can choose the different order that I would like it. I can talk about different language, punctuation, how we refer to the clients, the use of names and or pronouns, how we want to refer, the use of shorthands, formatting of time, date, and measurement information. This can be applied across for the whole area. Once we're happy with that, we can then go into the test format and we can run that against a particular console. So here, what we can then do is we can rerun that and change our formatting as we would like.